Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today I'll guide you on how to sew fluted ball top. The other design includes a camisole and shorts, while the kids version is the dress. The method for sewing the dress is similar to the camisole. I have distilled my knowledge into writing 5 ebooks. These drafting pattern books focus on guiding you through the steps of creating sewing patterns for specific body types, inverted triangle, hair, apple, hourglass, and straight body shape. They also help you understand body shape, body proportions, and offer solutions for achieving balance and harmony in body proportions so that you can create patterns tailored to yourself. The link will take you to an overview ebook about different body shapes, variations within shape categories, and how to get the book. From this video onwards, I will provide exclusive drafting and pattern development guides for those who are on my ebook. Specifically, if you purchase the ebook or receive it for free with a pattern purchase, you will gain access to these detailed guides. The guide for today's design is attached in the description box below for your reference. In future videos, other designs will also be guided through similar drafting methods. Now, let's get to the main part of the video. Here are the pattern pieces I've already cut out. I'm using a medium weight non-stretch fabric. Step 1. Working on the front, marking the side dart. Transfer the side dart markings onto the wrong side of the fabric. Then fold the fabric right sides together and sew along the dart, tapering off 3 cm beyond the dart point. This prevents the dart from unraveling when worn. Pressing the dart. Use a tailor's hem around the cushion designed for pressing curved seams like side darts or bust darts. Sew the front pieces together with a seam allowance of 1.27 cm. Press the seams open. Fold the raw edges of the seam allowance to one side and top stitch 1 mm from the fold. Press flat. The front has 5 pieces. Assemble them into one large piece. Repeat the same steps for the back pieces. Round off the corners. Place 2 bow pieces right sides together and sew as shown on the screen. Clip the seam allowance carefully without cutting through the stitches. Turn it right side out and press. Step 4. Sewing the shoulder straps. Fold the strap in half and press. Fold both edges inward toward the center crease and press again. Fold stitch along the folded edges. Step 5. Lining the front. Fold the fabric right sides together and sew along the dart, tapering off 3 cm beyond the dart point. This prevents the dart from unraveling when worn. Breasting the dart. Use a tailor's hem around the cushion designed for pressing curved seams like side darts or bust darts. Pin the shoulder straps onto the main front piece. Place the lining on top of the main fabric, right sides together, and pin along the neckline curve. And sew together. Lift the seam allowance and turn the lining seam allowance toward the lining side. Sew a 2 mm understitch close to the seam. Press flat, pressing on the lining side. Step 6. Attaching the bow. Pin the bow's armhole curve with the armhole curves of the lining. Pin one side. Twist the bow 360 degrees and pin the other side. Sew with a seam allowance of 1.27 cm. Lift the seam allowance and turn the seam allowance toward the main fabric. Sew 5 mm from the seam and press flat on the lining. Step 7. Installing the invisible zipper. Place the 2x pieces right sides together and sew along the center seam with a 1.5 cm seam allowance. Use a regular stitch, stitch length 3 up to the notch, and a basting stitch, stitch length 5 above it. Press the seam open and mark the zipper placement. Leave a 3 cm gap at the end of the zipper. Baste the zipper tape to the seam allowance, answering the zipper lines with the center seam. Switch to a zipper foot and sew a zipper starting from the top. Sew close to the zipper teeth but avoid hitting them with a needle. Press the zipper with a low temperature, iron if necessary, but I prefer not to iron zippers beforehand to avoid distorting their length. Use the method you're most confident with. Press flat. Step 8. Binding the raw edges. Finish the raw edges with binding by wrapping by step around the edge and stitching it in place. Also zigzag stitch if you have a serger. Step 9. Finishing the back lining. Fold the raw edge of the back lining inward by 1.27 cm. Sew and press. Place the back lining right sides together with the main fabric. Pin and sew, especially near the zipper. Clip corners and turn the lining right side out. Press the seam allowance toward the lining side and top stitch 5 mm from the seam. Press flat. Step 10. Joining front and back. Sew the front and back pieces together along the side seams. Finish the raw edges. Round off the corners. Fold the hem twice toward the wrong side and top stitch. Press the hemline. Lastly, hand sew to secure the bow and the neck. And that's it. I'll show you how to sew the flat bow top. The method for the kids' dress is similar. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.